Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best high-pressure air blower for cars in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Vacmaster Professional Wet Dry Vac and Blower. Another wet, dry vacuum and blower combination from Vacmaster is the Professional Beast series. This is an excellent option for those looking to cut costs. We'd recommend it for anyone looking for the best 2-to-1 blower vacuums. As with the other Vacmaster reviewed above, this unit can be used to vacuum up both wet and dry materials. It features a 5-gallon tank and a wider 1-7/8 inch hose. This makes it far less likely to clog, which is, of course, a good thing. We like the integrated hose storage as it keeps things tidy when the unit is not in use. However, what we really appreciated about this option is how easily it converts to a blower. This means you can wash the car, clean out all those French fries from between the seats, and then blow it all dry. There won't be a spot left on the paintwork, nor will there be any bad smells left inside the car. This unit is more durable, though just barely. It also provides you with a longer reach, which will make cleaning even more straightforward. All in all, it's one of the best vacuum blower units available. Number 2. Our second best pick is Vacmaster Wet Dry Vacuum with Detachable Blower. Thanks to Vacmaster, there is no need to purchase a device that only blows out warm air. Their model VBV1210 does a lot more than just helping you dry off your car. With this wet, dry shop vacuum, you can clean up your shop and vacuum out the inside of your vehicle. Once you're done with that, this Vacmaster easily converts into a handheld blower. We like its versatility as it can assist in all stages of your car wash. It features a 12-gallon capacity and can handle both wet and dry vacuuming. The extra-large drainage port makes emptying quick and easy. It's not the most powerful with 5 peak horsepower, but it should help get most jobs done. When using this as a handheld blower, you can expect up to 210 miles per hour airflow. Combined with a 19-foot cleaning reach, you'll make quick work of drying your car or motorcycle. Please note that's a 19-foot reach, including the hose and power cord combined. The hose itself is only 7 foot long. We like the provided integrated accessory storage. This gives you a place to secure the 2 extension wands, utility nozzle, and crevice tool. We also appreciate the air noise diffuser built into this unit. Number 3. Our third best pick is Shelandy Powerful Motorcycle and Car Dryer. This is one of the best cheap car dryer blowers available. It's an excellent option for those looking to save some money and some space. We'd recommend this option for those with smaller vehicles or motorcycles. It's a great way to dry your bike without leaving smears or scratching the paint and chrome. It can even safely remove dirt from those hard-to-get-to areas. It provides 11 feet of flexible hose and sits on 4 swiveling casters. This means you'll have no issues with moving it around as you work. Plus, it provides you with a choice of temp and airspeed settings. In the end, it's an excellent buy for the ridiculously low price. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Metro Vac Air Force Master Blaster. Metro Vac has produced an 8 HP car and motorcycle air dryer. The Air Force Master Blaster might not be the best budget car air drying due to its high price point. However, you do get enough features for it to be worth every penny. To begin with, the motor on this thing generates 8 horsepower, which will, in turn, force the airflow out at 58,500 feet per minute. This air comes out clean, warm, and dry. It's also filtered to ensure that you aren't blasting your freshly washed car or motorcycle with dirty air. After all, that would completely negate the whole point of using one of these. The Air Force Master Blaster has been designed with 2 motors, each with its own switch for smooth operation. This allows for the 2-stage dual fan to provide 2 different blowing speeds. It's an 18-amp, 2,160-watt option, and it weighs in at around 16 pounds. More importantly, this blower comes with a heavy-duty neoprene blower nozzle. There are also 5 interchangeable attachments to help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. The 1.5-inch commercial-grade hose is flexible and measures 10 feet long to help with mobility. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Detail King Tornador Black Interior Cleaning Tool. This last option in our reviews of the best car dryer blower is from Detail King, and before you complain, it doesn't belong on the list. Just hear us out. Before you need to dry your car, first you must wash it. That's where the Tornador Black comes in. If you want a blower to dry the car, you'll likely want help washing as well. The Tornador Black is a more powerful and efficient model than the much-loved Tornador Classic. It uses less soap and pressure, and yet, it helps you clean your vehicle even quicker. This unit was designed with a built-in air regulator that allows you to control the pressure it spits out. We like this feature as it means you can also regulate the capacity of your chemicals. Plus, the air-driven suction feed gun provides more than adequate power to blast away all dirt and grime. We like the ball-bearing design that rotates the spray in a spiral for increased power and efficiency. This allows it to work with lower air consumption, and it helps minimize noise emissions. Please note 2 key points. First off, you'll need an air compressor to use with this unit. Second, this is not a dryer blower. It is, as we mentioned above, used for washing your vehicle, not drying it. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.